When we think of programming languages, we usually stick to the familiar Python, JavaScript, C++, but what if I told you there's a darker side to programming? First up, INTERCAL, a parody language from 1972, was designed to be the complete opposite of traditional coding languages. With commands like please and forget, it mocks programming norms. If you're too polite, using please excessively, the program fails. Writing even a simple task becomes a battle against the language itself, an experience that's equal parts frustrating and humorous. Next, Brainfall, a language with just 8 commands, takes minimalism to an extreme. Writing code in BrainF is like solving a complex riddle. It's not designed to be practical, but rather to challenge your brain. The language's very name hints at the mind-bending puzzles it creates for the coder. Then there's Whitespace, where all visible characters are ignored, and only spaces, tabs, and line breaks define the program. The code appears invisible to the naked eye, making it a perfect language for hiding functionality in plain sight. It's almost as if Whitespace was designed to be unnoticed by anyone but its creator. Lastly, there's lolcode, a language that uses internet slang and memes as its syntax. While it's fun to write, its deeper purpose lies in challenging how we think about communication and structure in coding. It's more than just a joke, it's a reminder that programming doesn't always have to be serious.